What up, YouTube? Experimental and fun RCs here. So I finished the Cessna here. Yep, it's 3-channel, throttle, rudder, elevator, no all-arounds. As you might notice, that's where the Condor used to sit. Well, R.I.P. Condor, rest in peace. It was rough. Right on takeoff, just went straight into the ground. So I think we'll take a few moments to remember the Condor. Yeah, okay. Anyways, so I finished the Cessna. So here it is. Hopefully it'll fly. I'm hoping to get a Bixler too, so until next time. See you guys later.